struggling to master mechanical engineering concept, whether it's fluid mechanics, machine, or interview preparation, I have got you covered. Today I am sharing a 5 amazing YouTube channel that will take your mechanical engineering skill to the next level. The engineering mindset. Coming at number 5, the engineering mindset. This channel gives the detailed and practical explanation, especially for the system like fluid mechanics, HVAC, pump, and other mechanical system. If you want to understand how real world system works, this channel is must watch. Engineer for free. Number 4 is engineer for free. Focus tutorial on core academic subject like mechanics of materials, machine, statics, and more. It's perfect for the student looking to strengthen their basic or revise important topics quickly. Bricks Experimental Channel. Number 3 is a Bricks Experimental Channel. This one is fun and unique. It's demonstrate real mechanical mechanism and engineering principle using the creative builds. Watching this video give you the visual instruction for the gear linkage and motion system. Great for the understanding mechanism practically. The Efficient Engineer. Number 2 is the Efficient Engineer. This channel is aimed at the mechanical and civil engineer, and its mission is to simplify engineering concept one video at a time. If you want to clear logic explanation to tricky topics, this is the one to follow. GaugeHow Mech. And finally, number 1, GaugeHow Mech. This channel is focused on practical engineering skill and mechanical interview preparation for the measuring instrument to core mechanical topics. GaugeHow Mech help you become a real mechanical engineer ready for the interview and industrial challenges. So there you have it, 5 incredible YouTube channels to boost your mechanical engineering knowledge and skill. Make sure you check them out. Subscribe and start learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it your friend, and comment below which channel you loved the most. Thank you.